Hey guys, Alicia here. I wanted to show you how quickly and easily you can change the DPI of your image without losing the size of it. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification because you don't want to miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. So this question came up and I honestly was stumped. I was like, wait a minute, what am I doing wrong here? And I quickly figured that it was one little box that was unchecked that I was not doing. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to open up an image that I had created in iPicky.com. And it was this image right here. And whenever I created this, I created it in iPicky.com, and this is one that I have not yet moved over to resize to a 300 DPI because I mainly made the video made this image for training purposes. So this is a monogram wall art in an 8x10. And so it was just a letter, and then I took some really pretty digital paper and I put over the top of it. But is what we really want is we want this to have a 300 DPI, and we want to maintain our 8x10. So when I go here to the image to resize, now keep in mind I originally created this in iPicky.com. So it's telling me that I have this resolution here of 96. Is what we want to do is we want to make sure that this box is checked where it says maintain aspect ratio. And then we're going to click 300 and look, it changes it 8x10 inches. You want to make sure this is also on inches, but this is how quickly and easily you can do that. So we now have it. So we're going to click OK, and then I am going to save this image. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it and I'm going to open it back up and I'm going to show you that it did actually maintain that. Okay, so here was the original image that I had, and what I want to do is I want to open up the one that I just saved, which is this one right here, and we are going to check to make sure that it has a 300 DPI and that it is indeed an 8x10. And there we go. Here is our resolution of 300 DPI, and it is an 8x10. So I hope this video was very helpful for you all. If you do have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. And I love paint.net. It is 100% completely free to use, and you can achieve this 300 DPI by simply using paint.net. So if you do have any questions, leave them below, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.